Hello students, this is Shuprakash. First of all, I will tell you that in my previous video, I have told you about the verbs and its kinds, where I described you the two categories of verbs, that is helping verb and main verb, where I described you about the helping verbs and two parts of the main verb. These are transitive and intransitive verbs. I told you about modals and helping auxiliaries. Now here these are the parts of verb, that is main verb. Finite verbs and non-finite verbs. Finite verbs are such verbs which are limited by number and person. You can see the effect on the verb of subject, whether it is singular or plural, or of the tense, that is present tense, past tense, or any other tense. Then all the effect can be seen on the verbs. These are called finite verbs. The examples are given here. He plays cricket. They play cricket. I am playing cricket. He had played. Now you can observe that when the subject is he, which is singular pronoun, and you will see that here with the verb s is added. Now observe the second sentence. Here the subject is they, which is plural and pronoun, and we will not add s here. They both are of the same tense, that is simple present. But if we change the tense, I am playing cricket, it is present continuous tense, and here you will find that the verb ing form is used. And further, in the next sentence, he had played. The sentence is in past perfect tense and the verb third form is used. In all four sentences, you will see that the verb is changed. The same verb, but the different forms are there. So we can say that the finite verbs are dependent on subject, tense, whether subject is singular or plural or anything, and whether it is in present tense, past tense, or future tense, or any part of it. Then the verb will be changed in every condition. Now we will see non-finite verbs. Non-finite verbs are such verbs which are not limited by number and person. You can see the examples. I like playing cricket. The next sentence is he likes playing cricket. I want to tell you something. He wanted to tell you something. In all four sentences, first we will see the two sentences. Observe it. I like playing cricket. The subject is I and the main verb is like. I like playing cricket. The next one is he likes playing cricket. Both sentences are of the same tense, that is simple present. Verb, main verb changes. This is finite verb and this is non-finite verb, playing. On it, the effect of subject or the tense cannot be seen. It always remains the same. In third and fourth sentence, you will see I want to tell you something. I want, what I want to tell you something. In the next sentence, he wanted to tell you something. This is in simple present and this is in simple past. In both the condition, to tell is the same. The tense has changed, but the non-finite verb is same. But the main verb is changed. Here you will see that want and here wanted. So this is called finite verb and this is called non-finite verb. So students, now you will see what are the non-finite verbs. The non-finite verbs are infinitive, gerund and participle. How they are formed and what are their function, I will tell you. First of all, I will tell you about the infinitive. That is formed by to plus verb first form. For example, to err is human. And the next one, he wanted to teach you a lesson. Here, to err is used as a subject of the sentence, and in this sentence, to teach, which is also infinitive, and here it is used as an object. So, what you found? That an infinitive can be used as a subject or as an object of the sentence. This is the use of infinitive. Now the next one, that is gerund. Gerund can also be used as a subject of the sentence or as an object of the sentence. Here are some examples through which you can easily understand. Smoking is injurious to health. Here the smoking is subject about which we are talking. Smoking is injurious to health. What is injurious to health? Smoking is injurious to health. Smoking is subject. In the next sentence, he likes teaching. What he likes? Teaching. It is an object of the sentence. In the same way, swimming is subject. Here we are talking about the swimming. Swimming is a good exercise. So both the gerund and infinitive can be used as a subject or as an object in the sentence. Here some other adjectives also which always take gerund after them. Addicted to, used to, prone to. I have described it in my previous video about verb. You can see there and note it down. Next, I will tell. The next comes participle. It has three forms. The first one is present participle, the second one is past participle, and the third one is perfect participle. Present participle can be formed by verb first form plus ing. For the example, seeing the lion, he ran away. Here two sentences are there. That the first one, a person sees a lion, then after he runs away. That by joining them through present participle, you will write it as seeing the lion, he ran away. It is working as an adjective. This is the difference between present participle and gerund. Gerund always works as a subject or as an object of the sentence. But here it doesn't act like that. Seeing the lion, he ran away. Hearing the noise, all came out of their homes. The next comes past participle. Past participle can be formed through verb third form. Past participle is always used as an adjective of any noun or pronoun. I came out through the broken window. Here verb third form broken is used and it is defining the window. Here it is past participle and it is working as an adjective. So you can say that past participle can be used as an adjective. He kept his torn shirt in the almirah. How the shirt is? That is torn. So it is defining the shirt that it is torn. He kept his torn shirt in the almirah. Now, driven by poverty, he committed suicide. It is adjective, and here the whole sentence, driven by poverty, he committed suicide. The next comes perfect participle. Having plus verb third form. Here the two sentences, two works are there. The first one has been finished in the past and the second one happens after it. Then the both sentences can be joined with the help of perfect participle. Having finished the dinner, all of us went to sleep. Having finished the dinner means the work of having the dinner was finished, and then after the second event happened, that went to sleep. Both the works are not one after another, as you can see in present participle that both the sentences are adjacent to each other. As soon as the first one ends, the second starts. But what happens in perfect participle? The first finishes and then after it takes some time, then after the second work is done. Having finished the dinner, all of us went to sleep. You will not went to sleep directly after having dinner. The next one is having rested, we started playing again. You rested and then after a while you again started playing. Understood, students? This is all about the verbs finite and non-finite verb. This will be helpful in adding the sentences, that is in synthesis or in clauses. You will read it after some time. I will post videos on that also. Keep in touch, students.